Design for me is being able to bring form and function together into one product. It's the ability to create something that serves both a purpose and also make sure that it's aesthetically pleasing or beautiful.
One of the things that make Haywood different from the other sofas is the cushion. It has a Serene poly that actually gives it this down-like feel, but without the maintenance.
We also added a bolster pillow. A lot of times these are added for aesthetic reasons, but we really designed this into the piece that it adds some great lumbar support and really builds on the comfort.
We came across this incredible performance fabric. It has this elegant, rich feel to it, but yet it can hold up to the wear and tear.
This makes the Haywood really great for high traffic areas. Not only does it come in a multitude of different configurations, but we also offer many different fabrics and leathers. This allows them to really personalize the piece and speak to their own home. The Haywood really provides a great end to a long day.